Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily create a split screen videos in Filmora. Whether you're making a reaction video, a comparison, or creative side-by-side edit, this feature is super easy and simple to use. Let's get started. First, open the Filmora and click on the new project. And on the top menu, click on the split screen tab and you'll see a collection of pre-made split screen layouts you can choose like side by side and more. Then pick the layout that fits your best idea by dragging it down into the timeline. Double check on the split screen template into the timeline and a new window will pop up where you can drag and drop your video clips into each frame of the layout. And you can zoom in, reposition, or crop each video within its frame by clicking the adjust button for each clip and want to spice up, you can add a transition filters or overlays to make your split screen video even more engaging. And once you're happy with the split screen edit, click export and you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.